welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Shirley, also known as Backttalk, and this is Kitty. As you know, we are doing part 2 of day 1 at Disneyland. It is raining, so we went back to the room, chilled out, and now we're doing part 2. We have a bunch of Disney passes left, so
I did not nap.
she needed to. Well, I don't know that you needed to, but
No, I think we did good. We slept good last night.
yeah, we slept like 9 hours.
Yeah,
8
I'll
hours.
save my nap for tomorrow.
Yeah, we'll have all day tomorrow. It's kind of loud with the cars, so
Yeah.
let's hear all about it. A lot of people are leaving the park, which is nice. But as you can see, like people are leaving, people are coming in, so it's like a trade-off. But if you look at the weather forecast, it's supposed to stop at some point.
Well, at like 6. It's
Uh,
like 60% chance of rain.
And there's supposed to be a show at 5:30, so hopefully the show is still gonna happen. But we'll see. All right, we went to the locker. We checked in, well, not checked in. What is it called? Scanned in. Oh, look at my baby hairs. Anyways, we're in here. We got our mini Cokes. Still cold, y'all. Like,
Still cold.
that's a perfect hack right there if I haven't seen one. And it's not leaking water. We thought it would be, but if you're sending it this way, vertically, it's gonna leak. This way is horizontal, not gonna leak. And I'm gonna have the hydro flask, like little, I don't know if
It's cute.
it's a lunch sack or what. I just liked it for the aesthetics.
It's like a lunch sack. It looks like one.
Yeah. I think it stopped raining.
I think so too.
I can't feel it. But we're gonna go to Casey's Corner or Refreshment Corner here
Oh, is that where we're going?
and get Firefly Nachos.
Cool.
Kitty switched out of her trash bag and no, her poncho
My
and
fancy trash bag.
yeah, and got a umbrella.
And a new couch.
Oh yeah, show them. Hold on.
So I got this one right here, and this one right here, which fits my phone. So this one does not fit my phone. This one fits my phone perfectly. And then it has another little pin trading thing inside of here that's clear. And then my phone fits in the big pocket. And then Shirley's making me hold her ears.
Yeah, well, she was wearing a poncho at this point. I guess I could hold them again.
Oh yeah. Yes, and then I'm back
Because the
to
whole
you.
point was for her to protect them, but she failed at that.
I did. Because I'm rotten to the core.
Core. I told her she looks like a VK kid. She just needs black jeans. Hi, nachos.
I gave all my jalapenos to Shirley, so it does come with jalapenos, just as a disclaimer.
Yeah.
Ears.
Oh, yeah. Oh, they're a little wet, huh?
Oh, they were touching my umbrella, sorry. Thanks for drying off my umbrella.
But yeah, we have a little snack. I highly recommend these. We'll see if Kat likes them. I love them, so. It's just chili, cheese, and Fritos. So if you're looking for like chips, instead of paying whatever it is for chip bag, just get these and you get a little bit of protein. So you get a little bit of 2 fixes in one. Yeah.
Yep.
We finished the Firefly nachos and we were chilling. What'd you think?
They're good. I like them. They're a good snack. I want more of like the meat cheese mix because the ones
Yeah.
on the bottom like didn't get any. And
Yeah.
I thought I mixed it around, but not good enough.
Not enough. Yeah, you have to like shake it.
Yeah.
Or maybe that's why they
did.
gave us a tray. So you can empty it and then shake it?
I mean, probably, but we didn't use it.
Yeah. Yeah, it's bomb. It's like $5. Nothing crazy.
Yeah, really good for $5.
And then they canceled the parade, but they're gonna show us a Calvacade. We have a lightning lane for Space Mountain before 6, so after this we need to haul over there. And then we have another one for Matterhorn. And then we need to book another one for Thunder. And then we need to book another one for Astro Blasters. Kitty really wants to do Astro Blasters.
So I can beat your... So
Yeah.
I can beat you. So it went from 80 to 60.
But there's a lot of us, so I think it's gonna go back to 80. Okay, so it was saying 80. Now it's saying 60. I think it's gonna go back to 80 because this is all lightning lane right here.
This is all lightning lane.
And this is all lightning lane. All the way. And then standby starts over there. So, and I think it's just everybody running away from the rain. ride the front of Space Mountain, and it was awesome. I felt like Thunder where I'm like slipping out multiple times.
Yes, and we like got more air.
Yeah, like my butt, huh?
Yeah.
Like, but yeah, the front is awesome.
Yeah.
We have Astro Blasters, and then Churro, and then Locker, and then we'll see. Yeah. It'll probably be time for the next one.
Power cells. While the rest of you concentrate on those robots. You'll rendezvous at Planet Z. I will remain here at Star Command to coordinate the mission.
All right, Space Rangers, aim for the Z.
How did we do? So that's what it was.
It was Space Ace.
So did you like this one or did you like Mania
I like
more?
the other one better, but this one was fun. I like that you could turn it.
Yeah, the turning part. B and I get very competitive with the turning part, where we end up both like not doing great because we just keep sabotaging. Okay, we took pictures by the castle. Really nice family.
Yeah.
We swapped. They needed someone to take pictures, and that was really smart of her actually. Look at the castle. It's raining less, but I feel like it's like peacocking me because I'm like, oh, maybe I can keep my ears, right? But then what if it starts raining again? I don't know. Put them in the locker. Tropical Hideaway. I'm pretty sure there's no mobile order. But this is where you get your Dole Whip. Okay, change of plans, Rancho del Zocalo, because Tropical Hideaway doesn't have lumpia anymore. I don't know when they stopped. It's been a minute since I eat it. I'm very disappointed. Very sad. Okay, so there was no lumpia. We came to Rancho. We got the 3 taco platter, and yes, you can customize the tacos. So all chicken, all beef, all whatever you want. She was really nice and gave us double of everything since we're sharing. And then look how cute! It's a churro cream puff. It's adorable. And then they have an horchata cold brew. I'm really just testing my stomach today, you know. But tomorrow we stay in the hotel most of the day, so it's okay. We ate our trio tacos. I prefer chicken. Kitty prefer chicken too? Yeah. I like them with the sauce and the lime. I think together is prime. Rice is fine. It's not bad. It's not great. It's fine. And then beans, not for me.
I like the beans. I had a little kick to them, I think, once you got in deeper. I don't know if it was just me. Try a little bit right here. And
Maybe in the middle. I don't get spice, but I get something.
Yeah.
Yeah, we were trying to figure out if these were vegan or vegetarian, but I don't think so. They don't taste like they would be. But anyways, the horchata, Kat liked it.
It's sweeter.
It's sweeter. I prefer the Star Wars one. So.
And that one tasted more like smoky bitter to me, so I did not like that.
See, and I like that one because I like stock, so I like cold brew. This one's a cold brew too, but it's sweeter. Yeah.
It's perfect.
And we haven't tried this one. Let's go ahead and tear the ears off. Look at the filling.
Ooh, what is it? What's inside?
Cream puff?
Yeah, but this is like looks like flavored cream puff, not like regular.
It's supposed to be a churro.
It's like a dulce inside.
Not bad.
No.
Alright, we're doing our Genie Pass
If I can get it.
for Matterhorn. We're gonna get our butts wet. We did Matterhorn. So fun.
It was so good in the rain.
I'm pretty sure I'm gonna have bruises on my legs of how raggedy it was, but they're worth it. This is 20 minutes, hopefully. So we can do this without using our lightning and use our lightning for Space Mountain again. So that's the plan.
Oh, hiya, folks.
Ooh, it's like Vegas.
Want to take a ride on the train? Excuse me, you lady. Do you mind helping these good people into the cartoon while I fix this here locomotive?
Sure, Goofy. Sounds like fun.
Thanks. Be back in a jiffy to pick you all up.
I love the pre-show. I love how
It's really cute.
it smokes and then you get in. It's such a good pre-show.
It was, yeah.
And then the music.
It's so catchy. Anybody can dance to it. It's
Yeah.
really cute.
And definitely 20, well, less than 20 minutes. But no, actually about 20
Still
minutes.
waiting for
20 minutes with the pre-show, so.
Oh, it's good.
There was me. What could possibly go wrong? Come on,
Wait, Goofy!
2, 3. Oh, excellent. You're all waltzing so beautifully together. Now, let's...
Okay, since you saw us at Mickey's Runaway Railway, it started raining again, but we had a landing lane for Thunder, so we went over to Thunder. We had maybe waited 5 minutes, right?
And then we were in line and
We were like,
another 5 minutes.
we were up, right? It was like, you know when you're like waiting for your number, and you're like, oh my god, it's my number? And then we hear like announcements. They're like, no more packing people, and we're like, no! And then yeah, they closed it down. But on the way out, we asked for landing lane. Don't be shy, just ask. So we asked for one, so they gave us another multi one. So we're gonna do Space Mountain twice.
Favorite. Perfect day for me.
And technically 3 landing lanes for space.
Really good, huh?
Yeah. So we're gonna ride that total of 4 times today.
That's it. I'm saving for 5.
But the show starts in like 20 minutes, so we're gonna do one, go watch the show, and then do the other. The churro line is so popping. I'm telling you, this is the churro spot.
Good to know.
But if you see me, let me cut, because I'm giving you the tips. No, you know, like when something goes viral, the line goes crazy. That's what's gonna happen. Not that my video is gonna go viral, but all right. The regular queue is 45 minutes, so we'll see how long this one is. It's 9:15. We need it to be less than 15 minutes, preferably, so we can make it to the show on time. Okay. It was exactly like 15 minutes by the time we like got on the ride, off the ride, and all. We got to ride front row, which was awesome. Oh, maybe it's just a tiny little thing. Maybe it's not the whole show. Anyways, it starts in a minute, so I guess we'll see. Did Space Mountain towards the back. Technically, I guess we could have been on the back because no one's behind us, so we are in the back. We said that we felt this part more, the drops, compared to the front. So interesting.
They're both good.
Yeah, and to end the night, we are at the